Imagine a world where robots possess the charm and capabilities of human beings, seamlessly blending artificial intelligence with grace, efficiency, and a touch of mystery. Welcome to the future of robotics, where Japan's latest female robots are taking center stage, leaving us all mesmerized by their remarkable capabilities and infinite possibilities. In the ever-evolving realm of artificial intelligence and robotics, Japan has consistently been at the forefront of innovation. With a rich history of technological advancements, Japan's latest creation in the field of robotics has managed to push the boundaries of what was once considered possible. These new-age female robots are not just a marvel of engineering, but also a testament to the country's dedication to the pursuit of perfection in the realm of robotics. The evolution of female robots. Japan's fascination with humanoid robots dates back to the early days of automation. It all began with the introduction of Asimo by Honda, but the journey to create lifelike robots has been far from straightforward. Over the years, technology has advanced by leaps and bounds, leading to the creation of robots that can replicate human movements and emotions with astonishing accuracy. The latest generation of female robots is the culmination of decades of research and development. The anatomy of perfection. These female robots are a true masterpiece of engineering. With skin that mimics human touch and movements that are eerily lifelike, they are designed to blur the line between man and machine. Equipped with advanced algorithms and sensors, these robots can perceive and respond to their environment, making them capable of adapting to a wide range of tasks. Versatility beyond imagination. What sets these robots apart is their sheer versatility. From serving as companions and caretakers for the elderly to assisting in healthcare, education, and even entertainment, these female robots are capable of anything. They can engage in meaningful conversations, provide emotional support, and perform intricate tasks with precision. Their potential applications are limited only by our imagination. Redefining human-robot interaction. Interacting with these female robots is an experience like no other. With their natural language processing capabilities and a vast database of knowledge, they can engage in meaningful conversations, answer questions, and even tell jokes. Their ability to read and respond to human emotions creates a bond that goes beyond mere functionality. Breaking down barriers. These robots are not just a technological marvel. They have the potential to break down barriers in various fields. In healthcare, they can assist doctors in surgeries and provide round-the-clock care for patients. In education, they can offer personalized tutoring, making learning more accessible. The entertainment industry can also benefit from their abilities, enhancing virtual experiences. Aiding in disaster response. These female robots are not confined to indoor environments. They are equipped with mobility features that allow them to navigate challenging terrains and hazardous conditions. This makes them invaluable in disaster response scenarios. From locating survivors in rubble to delivering essential supplies, these robots can operate in areas that are too dangerous for human responders. Advancing the field of personal assistance. Beyond their physical abilities, these robots are proficient personal assistants. They can help with daily tasks, such as cooking, cleaning, and organizing, providing valuable support to individuals with mobility challenges or busy lifestyles. Their adaptability allows them to seamlessly integrate into various households, enhancing the quality of life for their owners. As we stand on the threshold of a new era in robotics, Japan's latest female robots offer a glimpse into a future where technology and humanity coexist in harmony. Their potential to revolutionize various industries and enrich our lives is unparalleled. We can only imagine the incredible advancements that lie ahead as we continue to explore the uncharted territories of artificial intelligence and robotics. But the journey is just beginning. To stay updated on the latest developments in the world of AI and robotics, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Join us as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of technology. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the realm of Japan's female robots, where the future meets the present in a stunning fusion of science and artistry.